So for the last 15, 20 years before I started this academy, I was directly involved in the maintenance of historic buildings and some non-historic buildings. And one of the things that became clear to me was the importance of having an approach to building maintenance, which is often something that's quite mundane and not very interesting to people, to almost give it a spiritual dimension. So that as we look at a building or a piece of real estate as a gift from God, which it is, and really bring that to the fore in conversations about investment. What do we do with the building? How do we spend our money wisely? And thinking more again about that property as a gift was one of the ways that I've seen some success with historic buildings. A lot of them looking quite a lot, like any of the skyline you'd see in Rome or anywhere else in the world. Now, I have my experience, of course, is quite local here in Michigan, which will be different than the other cultures and other financial situations around the world. But I think at the heart of it is to know that when there is a building, whether it's anything from an orphanage to a grand cathedral, the important part is to understand that building as a gift, and to know that your commitment to maintaining it well has to be intentional. It has to be thorough and professional.